Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Mr. EduFox TV. Now, on the previous video we spoke about arithmetic sequences, and we said that an arithmetic sequence has the first common difference and it's the same, and we said that is t2 minus t1 must be equals to t3 minus t2, and it must be equals to t4 minus t3, and so on, and that is equals to d. This is what we discussed, and we showed through this example, we showed the general equation, and we did an example. So on this video I want us to go through actual activities, try to solve them. I actually have 3 activities. This is number 1, number 2, and number 3. So we're going to go through all 3 of them before we move to quadratic sequences. I'm going to leave a link on the description, and I'm going to give you guys problems to do with the memo, hopefully with the memo. So let's get on to it, guys. So activity number 1, let me draw, let me use a different color. Okay, it's fine, white is fine. Activity number 1 says, given the sequence 6, 13 and 20, so you have 6, 13 and 20. A, determine the formula for the nth term of the sequence. So what is the formula for the nth term? This is they're looking for Tn. What is Tn of this sequence, of that sequence? So as we know, Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 d, where A is the first term of the sequence, and that is what? 6. As you can see here, it's 6. D is the common difference. D is the common difference, which is T2 minus T1. D is 13 minus 6, and our D is 13 minus 6 is 9. Our D is actually, no, it's 7, I'm sorry. Minus 6 is 7. Yes, the answer is 7. So what do? We say Tn equals to 6, which is the first term, plus n minus 1 multiplied by 7. You have 6 plus 7n minus 7, which is equals to 7n minus 1. So we have, this is our Tn. So this here is our answer for number A. Let me do this. Number B, they are asking, calculate the 21st term of the sequence, which is T21. So we're going to use the previous formula that we used. It's 7 into 21 minus 1. So T21 equals to, what is 7 times 21? 7 times 21, it's 140. 7 minus 1, so T21 equals to 146. And we are done. 46. Number C, they're asking, determine which term of the sequence is 97. Which term of the sequence is 97? Now this question is very important to understand. They are asking which term of the sequence. When you are asked which term of the sequence, know that you are looking for your n. You are looking for your n. When they are saying which term of the sequence, it means you're looking for your n. And it means they gave you that Tn is what? 97. You have to find n. And you're going to use which formula? The same formula. So you'll say, you'll say 97 equals to 7n minus 1 when you solve for n. So you're going to take this one, it's going to be 98 equals to 7n divided by 7 divided by 7. N equals to, what is 98 divided by 7? It's 14. So the answer to this question is what? 14. And you'll get your 5 marks. Total 5 marks. You get your 5 marks. This is correct, this is correct, and that is correct. Moving to the second question, it says consider this number pattern. The number pattern is 8, 5, 2. Right? So they say calculate the 15th term. Calculate number A. They want you to calculate T15. Before you do T15, you have to look for Tn. You have to look for Tn. So you have this. You say what's the common difference? You will say 5 minus 8, which is negative 3, and then 2 minus 5, which is negative 3. Therefore, this is an arithmetic sequence. So you say D equals to minus 3, and our A equals to 8. Therefore, Tn equals to A plus n minus 1. D Tn equals to 8 plus n minus 1 and minus 3. Tn equals to 8 minus 3n plus 3. Tn equals to minus 3n plus 11. This is the answer. For to find T15, you say T15 equals to negative 3 into 15 plus 11. So T15 equals to negative 3 into 15 plus 11. So T15 is negative 34, and this is your final answer for number A. Number B, it says determine which term of the sequence. So they're looking for what? For n. Which term of the sequence is negative 289? They're looking for our n. So they gave you Tn, which is negative 289. They want to know which term is equal to this. Which term of the sequence is equal to this? So you say negative 289 equals to negative 3n plus 11. You're going to use that formula. So you say negative 289 minus 11. You're taking 11 to the other side, which will be negative 300, which is equal to negative 3n divided by negative 3 divided by negative 3. Then our n is what? Our n is 100. So our n must always be positive, must always be positive. N must always be positive. So the answer is 100. Then going to the last question, we are given the following sequence. We have 1, and we are told that this is an arithmetic. So we said the first term is what? Okay, this thing is not writing. Okay. The first term is 1 minus p. Second term is 2p minus 3. Third term is p plus 5, and so on. So the first question is determine the value of p. Now you're told that this is an arithmetic sequence, which means t1, which means t2 must be equals to t2 minus t1 must be equals to t3 minus t2. But what is t2? t2 is 2p minus 3 minus t1, which is 1 minus p, equals to t3, which is p plus 5 minus t2, which is 2p minus 3. Right? Then here you'll have 2p minus 3 minus 1 plus p equals to p plus 5 minus 2p plus 3. Right? Then you look for like terms. Like terms, you look for the like terms. So the like terms will have this p, 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 p. So you say 2p plus p, which gives you 3p. Then minus 1 minus 3. Then you get minus 4 on this side. On the other side, we have p minus 2p, which gives you minus p. Then you have 5 plus 5 plus 3, which is plus 8. Right? Then you will take that minus p to the other side. It will become 4p. You take this one to the other side, it changes signs. Then you say minus 4 minus 8, which gives us minus 12 equals to, in fact, do this, take 4 to the other side. So this will be equals to, you take 4 to the other side, you get what? 12. You divide by 4, you divide by 4, then our p is 3. This is the answer for P, and this is our number A. Number B, they say determine the value of the first 3 terms of the sequence. Now that you have P, you want the actual value, the actual numerical value. So you will say 1 minus, what is P? 3. And then you say 2, 3 minus 3, and then you say 3 plus 5. So here you'll have minus 2. Then here you'll have 3. 2 times 3 is 6, minus 3 is 3. Then you'll have 3 plus 5, which is 8. So this is the answer for the first 3 terms of the sequence. And this is the end of our class or our lesson on arithmetic sequences. In the future, I will make more difficult or more hard problems on arithmetic sequences, but on my next video I'll be specifically focusing on quadratic sequences, and I'll give you a lot of examples on quadratic sequences and how to solve quadratic sequences. So this is all for this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share this video, leave a comment below, ask questions, send me an email of your problem on mrmusifox@gmail.com. Don't forget Mr. Musifox, let me write it again, Mr. musifox@gmail.com. Send me your problems on number patterns and series on Mr. Musifox in the form of a picture, and I'll create a video response on your specific problem. So don't forget to subscribe, as I'll be sharing a lot of content on mathematics, and in the future I will do other questions. See you guys on the next video.